This cheesecake looks like ruby glass, but it's creamy inside. Today, I am taking you through 4 viral fruit desserts with full technical precision. If you're ready to level up your pastry game, make sure to subscribe and like this video right now. Let's start with our ruby pomegranate cheesecake. For the base, precision is key. Use 150 grams of digestive biscuits ground to a fine sand. Mix with 60 grams of butter melted to exactly 45 degrees Celsius. Press this into your pan with 10 pounds of pressure to ensure it doesn't crumble when sliced. Chill at 4 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes while we prep the filling. Your cream cheese must be at 20 degrees Celsius for a lump-free emulsion. Beat 500 grams with 100 grams of castor sugar. Meanwhile, reduce 150 milliliters of pomegranate juice by 2/3 over low heat until it coats the back of a spoon. This concentrates the acid and color without adding excess moisture, which would break our cheesecake structure. Whip 200 milliliters of heavy cream to soft peaks. Don't overbeat. Fold it gently into the cheese at a 45-degree angle. Drizzle that ruby reduction and use a skewer to create a marble effect. This goes into the fridge for 6 hours. If you're enjoying these technical tips, share this video with a fellow baker right now. Next, the coconut tiramisu. We are mimicking a real coconut. Mix 250 grams of mascarpone with 150 milliliters of thick coconut cream. Dip your ladyfingers into coconut milk for exactly 2 seconds. Any longer and they lose structural integrity. Layer these into a sphere mold and blast freeze at -18 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. To get that crack, temper white chocolate to 31 degrees Celsius. Dip the frozen coconut cores. The thermal shock sets the chocolate instantly. Use a dry brush with cocoa powder to simulate the coconut husk. Comment below if you've ever tried tempering chocolate at home. The watermelon cheesecake requires enzyme management. Bloom 10 grams of gelatin in 50 milliliters of cold water for 10 minutes. Warm your watermelon puree to 40 degrees, then stir in the gelatin. This prevents the fruit acids from weakening the set. Add many chocolate chips at the very end to act as seeds. Like this video if you love summer desserts. For the kiwi tiramisu, we must blanch the kiwi slices for 30 seconds. Raw kiwi contains actinin, which breaks down dairy proteins, making your cream watery. Blanching deactivates this enzyme. Layer the vibrant green slices against the glass for that glow effect. This is a pro tip you won't find in basic recipes. Look at those textures, from the tempered chocolate shell to the perfectly set pomegranate marble. These techniques are the difference between a home cook and a pastry chef. If you found these step-by-step measurements helpful, please subscribe for our weekly masterclasses. Your support helps us create more deep dive content. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share this with a foodie, and comment with your progress photos. I'll be replying to your questions in the comments for the next hour. See you in the next lesson.